Today, I want to talk about the 3 minute daily routine for self-managed investors. So if you have, a wealth manager managing your portfolio or you're hands off, you don't need us. You're fine. But if you're managing your own money and you are pressed for time, if you have the whole day to look at the screen, again, you don't need us. Right. But if you are a busy person, you have a job or you have your own business or whatever the case may be, the daily routine that I follow, which is something that I'm sharing with you that might be very useful, is that every morning at 5 o'clock Eastern time, you will get a newsletter as part of your subscription to Alpha Sentinel that basically talks about what happened in the last 12 hours and what to expect in the next 12 hours. And it also goes through your 5 biggest positions or on your watch list. If you have Google, Microsoft, Meta, SpaceX, and Tesla in your watch list, it will reference those stocks. It will find relevant information about those stocks. If there's any analyst upgrades or downgrades, if there's any sort of news about the stock that will impact the share price, if there is any, if there's an earnings coming up, if there is a stock split. So it keeps you informed about your portfolio on a daily basis. It also helps you finding tradable opportunities quickly. Every morning you will get an email from us at about 8:30 Eastern time that will surface 1 or 2 opportunities that look good on that day. So you're not spending hours trying to find something that you can buy and sell. If you are pressed for time, then this is sort of the best outcome that you can get. If you get our newsletter, it tells you what's going on. You get tradable opportunities, delivered to you. And obviously, if you're a member, you can log in and in real time look at what's surfacing on the scanner. You just have to, go to the scanner, hit scan, and it will pick up the most recent opportunities. I think the most important thing I want you to understand is that a lot of our competitors will tell you, hey, this is what you can do. So if you want, you can scan and find something. But what we are doing differently is that we are already curating that list for you based on our protocol, on our proprietary 5-gate protocol, so that you're not just getting garbage in and then trying to figure out what to do with it. We are actually culling that list from, 1,000 tradable opportunities down to 4 or 5 or 6. And that makes it a lot easier for someone to, review it quickly in 3 minutes and then trade the opportunity. You can obviously buy and sell. You can sell something as well. So that's how it works.